Greetings to Echo Zero Papa Golf Sierra here. This is just a video on a Arduino VU meter I've been working on using these two marine analog kiloamp meters. I've got two of them, one for the left channel, one for the right. I've got some music here by Ardunio, a good friend of mine, so I can demo that. Currently they're hooked up to an Arduino and an output from my line, it's just a line level output of my audio gear. So ignore most of this breadboard, I'm just testing around some stuff here, but all I've got really is just sort of like half wave rectification of the line level of each side, left channel, right channel, and then the ground. So the ground isn't on a diode, I'm just using it to get it into the breadboard there. But I'm experimenting around with a few different things, using some capacitor coupling or capacitors as a bit of a buffer. The Arduino, really all the Arduino is doing is mapping the line level output to the display to get a decent resolution, and it's also giving a bit of protection for these meters so they don't get overdriven. So I'll show you this sort of funny startup sequence it's got. Gives you a sort of meter test and then a quick drop rate of how quick those needles can move. It checks they're both aligned. And I'll just play some music just to give you a demo. Okay, that's a track by Ardunio, good friend of mine. Again, thanks to him for letting me use that. So this is just a sort of early version of this. I'm going to play around to refine the algorithm in the code, play around with the input to see if it's worth trying to get a full wave or use a potential divider. But looking quite good so far anyway. And then I'll get this in a box. The idea is to try and get the Arduino to do as much as possible instead of using low level circuitry, because then it's easy to change it on the fly. I probably add different modes in here like peak, hold and stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, it's been 2E0PGS. Cheers.